What's going on, guys? So as you can see, I have Logan here and we're back at it again. This time we're going to San Antonio!
Riverwalk!
Yeah, we're going to Riverwalk. We're gonna go do that meme that every girl around this time would be like, babe, take me here, starter pack. That's where we're going.
That's what we're doing.
We're gonna do that.
I did not know you were recording. I had my whole camera up and everything. I was about to start recording.
Show them your new camera.
I got a new camera.
I got a new camera as well.
You're driving. It's trying to kill me.
Hello. So yeah, the last week's vlog was completely on this camera here. So there was some points where it was a little bit shaky or grainy. Forgive me, I'm still trying to figure out this camera here. Absolutely love it. I have some sweet ass photos from that week that I was out in Austin. They're all over my Instagram. You can follow me there. That's about it. I mean, we're still in Round Rock. We're in Georgetown, going into Round Rock. We still got about an hour and a half to get there. So that's about it. We're still gonna hit that Austin traffic, which totally sucks. So we finally made it to San Antonio. Drive was a little bit longer than I thought it was gonna be, so we're just getting here at Chipotle. We stopped for a quick meal, and yeah, there you go.
I'm so excited.
So after this, we're gonna go to our Airbnb and check that out. So excited for that. So we just got to our Airbnb. It's like I said, it's a small house. It's a tiny house, actually. This is the cutest thing ever. All right. We got some Post Malone playing already. How dope is this? What's this? Whoa, we got the whole shower. We got the whole shower and the tub, or shower and the toilet. I am in love. We just met the owner. She has chickens outside, which is what? Honestly, it looks like it's, you can literally see San Antonio, downtown San Antonio from where we're at right now. Like, I'm in love with this place. I don't know what more I can say. Like, it's so dope. You got a whole top bed up there. Can't really see. Got this here. Ooh, nice robe, huh?
It's all for me.
Get out of here. Hold up. You know I'm using this.
Sure.
Dang. Hey, shotgun top bed.
That's what you want?
Yeah, I'm taking the top bed for sure.
Okay.
How am my drunk ass gonna get up there tonight? Well, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Don't be breaking things. We just got here. I don't. Yeah, of course. It's cold as F. This is gonna be insane. We're only here for one night though, so I wish it was actually coming in here. I don't know, what would you say? You stay here a little bit more longer?
Heck yeah.
I would definitely recommend this place. This sink is amazing. This is like my apartment, but just smaller. And much nicer looking. I don't know. But yeah, I guess we're just gonna settle in, bring in our stuff, and get ready for tonight. We just finished up, getting ready. Just gonna go hit up downtown. Gonna explore a little bit. I've been here before. It's her first time. Second time, actually, sorry. But yeah, let's do this.
Let's do this.
So after maybe like 30 minutes of driving around, finding some parking, we found some parking. We found some parking. Look at this view. This is pretty cool. Yeah, we're gonna go down to the Riverwalk and go check it out. Check other things. Let's go. Ready?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Is it not letting it go for you?
Oh, it might go. Let's try to.
Okay, sweet. Let's do this. Are in the vendors area, which is pretty cool. I mean, how cool is that? I don't know, it's been so long since I've been here, but everything's going very well. There's a little beach. Yeah. But yes, we are on the Riverwalk.
Yes, we are. We are river walking.
What'd you find, Logan?
There's a convention here with that.
What is this? What's going on? What is this?
I could think of some other descriptors. There's a convention, you know, with athletic directors here today.
Cool. Oh, and then we purchase alcohol. Alright, so guys, we just got back from the river tour. I don't think there's any more in there, Logan. Anyway, so yeah, just quite a bit of things that we just learned. San Antonio is actually older than the US. It's pretty crazy. I put some footage in there as well.
It's pretty light.
It is.
I would
pretty
recommend
light.
it.
Yes, for sure.
Are you riding? Say you never ever leave from beside me. Cause I want you and I need you.
What was that? Yo! What was that?
I'm a shark, okay?
Oh my god! Kiki. Hey!